Hi guys! Today I'm sharing a requested garlandly color combination and you're going to love how easy this is. It's simple folds, beginner friendly, but still so pretty. Let's start! This is satin ribbon in brown, 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. As promised, this design uses just one easy fold so all the petals will be made the same way. For the brown, we need 12 pieces. We also have satin ribbon in gold, 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. We also need 12 pieces of this color. And for a little accent, I have glittered velvet ribbon in brown, size 1 cm wide and 10 cm long. And we need 6 pieces of this. Now that our ribbons are ready, let's start and see how they turn into a pretty flower for our garland. To begin, I have here a round felt fabric. It's about 5.5 cm. This is where we'll attach our petals. You can also use round cardboard as an alternative. I already marked it into 6 sections so we know exactly where to place each petal. For the first layer, we'll use the gold petals. Next is the brown petals. We'll place it in between. Then we add the glittered velvet ribbon for that extra detail. After that, we'll add another layer of gold and brown. Now in the center, this is where you can add your centerpiece, anything that matches your theme. I'll just use this one to show you how the final result looks. And this is our pretty garland flower finished. Now let's attach it to the necklace so it's ready to wear. I'm using satin ribbon in 3.8 seam wide and 120 seam long. We will cut the ends into a V shape, then heat seal them to prevent fraying. For the tail design, we'll measure about 7 cm with a distance of around 5 cm between the ends. Apply glue to secure the shape. For the base at the back, I'm using a round felt fabric about 9 cm, but you can also use round cardboard as an alternative. And it's finished! Our garland leaf is ready to wear. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like and share and let me know what design you'd like to see next. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft.